Alright, Damien, here's your dark blue 2012 Chevy Dodge Charger that you wanted. This is the 43rd scale from direct first response replicas. It's just like the one you saw on my videos on my YouTube channel that you wanted built, that copied. So same exact model. Like I said, I ordered the model. They sent me the copper one to start with. Hey, if anyone out there wants a copper colored one like this, I've got one. But anyway, so I had to send back for another one, and like I said, get it in, and just finished it up early this morning, late last night, we're going to call it, and getting the video up for you now. This one, like I said, identical to the one that you saw on my YouTube channel recently. Flashing headlights and taillights, red and blue strobes on the front visor and on the rear visor as well. Those are controlled with a circuit board that'll give them a triple strobe flash, of course alternating or wig-wag flash pattern as well. Hooked up to a 9-volt battery. I used a battery box for it like I did to the other one, with a power switch on it. Says turn the power on and it starts the lights. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Again, you can see your red and blue front visor lights there, flashing headlights, of course, that we talked about. Red and blue visor lights, again, those are simultaneous flash there. Then they'll go into a triple strobe. Those are actually 3 strobes each time, each color. Like I said, it's hard to detect. Well, my camera doesn't detect it. It's not hard to detect. It just doesn't show up. And then on the rear, same setup. Again, triple flash and same flash patterns. The flashing taillights as well. And again, everything runs just off a regular 9-volt battery, so it's easy enough to change, in the little battery box here. On your case that it comes in, forgot that I had it. In case you want to leave it in the case for display, you can. And I made a little cut. Well, if I can get it open. Made a little cut right here on the side of it with my cutoff wheel on my Dremel tool, so the cord can come out. So once you have the car mounted on the base, you can drop this on there, and your power cord can come through the little slot, and then you won't have to worry about cutting your cord or anything when you put your case together. That way there's plenty of room for the cord to move in and out. And like I said, it doesn't pinch the cord, so that way you can leave it in the display case if you want to, keep it clean. Plus, shipping it back to you, it won't cut the cord either. So anyway, there you have it. I appreciate the order, and like I said, finished up and ready to go. So we'll get settled up, and I'll get it on its way to France. Appreciate it.